Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine being able to print out your favorite memories in stunning quality, anywhere and anytime. That's exactly what the Canon SELPHY CP1500 compact photo printer promises to deliver, and I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. So, let's start with one of the most impressive features of this printer, its compact design. The Canon SELPHY CP1500 is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it perfect for home use or taking with you on the go. Whether you're a student looking to print out photos for a project, a professional photographer who wants to provide instant prints to clients, or just someone who loves to capture memories, this printer is designed to be convenient and easy to use. The compact design also includes a convenient paper tray storage, which means you can keep all your printing supplies organized and within reach. Another key feature of the Canon SELPHY CP1500 is its print capacity. The printer comes with a KP108 iron paper and ink set, which includes 108 sheets of 4x6-inch photo paper and matching ink cartridges. This means you can print out a large number of photos without needing to worry about running out of ink or paper. The print quality is also incredibly high, with vibrant colors and sharp details that make your photos look professional. Whether you're printing out a special moment from a wedding, a birthday party, or just a fun day out with friends, the Canon SELPHY CP1500 is capable of producing stunning results that will last for years to come. In terms of connectivity, the Canon SELPHY CP1500 has got you covered. The printer features multiple connection options, including a USB port and a memory card slot, which means you can print directly from your device or from a memory card. This makes it easy to print out your favorite photos, whether they're stored on your phone, camera, or computer. The printer is also compatible with a range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops, which means you can print out your photos from almost any device. One of the things that really sets the Canon SELPHY CP1500 apart from other photo printers on the market is its ability to produce standard 4x6-inch photographs. These are the perfect size for creating lasting memories and photo albums, and the printer is capable of producing them with incredible quality and detail. Whether you're looking to create a beautiful photo album, print out some special memories to frame, or simply want to have some physical copies of your favorite photos, the Canon SELPHY CP1500 is the perfect tool for the job. So what's the verdict? Is the Canon SELPHY CP1500 compact photo printer worth the investment? In my opinion, absolutely. The printer's compact design, high print capacity, and versatile connectivity options make it an incredibly convenient and practical tool for anyone who loves to capture memories. The print quality is also incredibly high, with vibrant colors and sharp details that make your photos look professional. If you're in the market for a new photo printer, I would highly recommend checking out the Canon SELPHY CP1500. Find the link in the description below to get your